guys, this is Jags of Pack Out Campers. In this video, we're going to go over our window options. We have a variety of windows and combos for you to choose from to best suit your needs. Let's kick things off with our base model. It comes standard with a fixed side panels. Some people just want one entry point into their camper so you can leave your valuables hidden. If you want a minimal and stealthy look, this option is for you. But if you want fresh air, check out a sliding glass window. It's perfect for letting the breeze in. It's ideal for you and your furry friends while relaxing inside your camper. Next up, we have Tern Overland window. This bad boy has triple functionality. First, you can open the window for airflow. You can also enjoy the built-in bug screen. But if you want a little privacy, you can just pull down the blackout feature. It's perfect if you want to keep your gear under wraps. Now, let's talk about going options. This window, when it opens, it gives you a wide opening in the side of your camper. And then plus, you have a quick access to all your gear. And when all three windows are up, you'll feel like you're inside a spacious outdoor living room. And don't forget, you can also add a sliding glass window on the side or a Tern Overland window to your gull wing for even more versatility. For the rear entrance of our camper, you have two options. Our base model comes standard with a solid aluminum gull wing door. And you can also add a fixed glass panel right here for extra visibility. The benefits of having a gull wing door is you can still have wide access to your tailgate that you can hold 2x4, plywood, and still be able to use your truck as a truck. The other option for our rear entrance is our swing out door. With this option, you can stand on your tailgate without having to close your access to the camper, which you can't really do with the gull wing option. You can add a fixed glass panel or Tern Overland window just like the side panels. For a cab side panel, all of your camper comes standard with a solid fixed aluminum panel. It's a perfect option if you want to run our radar case, our molly panel, but we're all about customization. So you can add this sliding and fully removable window. It's perfect for visibility and have quick access inside your cab. Here in Pack Out Campers, we take pride in offering the most customizable campers. With all this option, you can create a camper that's truly your own. Plus, we manufactured and designed most of our parts here in the USA, so changes are a breeze. If you have any question or you want to share your favorite window option, just comment down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more updates. Let's pack out and explore.